y'all. I'm so excited for you guys to be here with me on today's video. We are going to be making over our dining room table and making a beautiful harvest table. I wanted to show you guys a little bit of what eFavor Mart sent over to us. So for those of you who are not familiar with eFavor Mart, it's like a one-stop party supply shop that brings you your most Pinterest-worthy event planning dreams come to life at wholesale prices. They sent us over a bunch of these pretty little chargers for the plates that we're gonna have. So I'm excited to put those on this harvest table this year. I also grabbed a few of these like little tapered ones as well. Not tapered, but what do you call that? Twisty one. We're actually gonna be having a holiday party here this weekend, and I'm excited to be able to use all of these. I did get this like kind of harvest gold color. I don't have a whole lot of this in my decorations this year. So they're most known for their like elevated essentials, things like weddings and birthday parties and whatnot, but they also have a really impressive seasonal selection. Another thing I stocked up on was these ribbons. I'll take one out so you can see, but they're this pretty kind of like linen, and they have this frayed edge. eFavor Mart tries to make your event planning so easy. They have thousands of options for any kind of theme that you might like. Their stuff is super affordable, and it also ships within 24 hours. I know I'm gonna be using these ribbons as well as these like pretty velvet ribbons that I got for all kinds of like holiday wrapping soon. Today I'm gonna be decorating a little bit more for like Thanksgiving and whatnot, but because Christmas and Thanksgivings are so close, I'd like to be able to decorate in like a more transitional way with these items. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna bring in our things that were on the table from before. I have them over here, and bring in some of our new stuff from eFavor Mart. And then I'm gonna bring out some of our new china, if you wanna call it that, in this hutch. And we're gonna make a really pretty tablescape here.